Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on this wig that I am currently wearing. If you want to know some details about this unit, make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and get down to the details about this wig. To start off, I want to show you guys what the packaging looks like that it came in. It looks like this. Alright, so this is the red carpet premiere. And it's the, I think you pronounce it Phany. It's spelled P-H-A-N-Y, I think so. And it's a lace front wig. And it is a conventional lace and HD invisible lace. And I also want to show you guys this card. My daughter did get a hold of it, so it kind of looked a little crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. But it looks like this. And then like this is like the back side of it. You see it in the black and then like that red color. And then I have the blonde, and it's an ombre color, you know, with a dark roots, and then it goes into the blonde. Very pretty. It reminds me kind of like a beachy look, you know, very exotic. But the benefits of this wig is that it's an HD invisible lace, like I said before. Also a pre-flatted part, 4 deep lace parts, skin tone adapting lace, baby hair, transparent hairline look, and secure combs and straps. So a lot of benefits come with this wig. So next is going to be the price of this wig. I did get it from one of my local hair stores, and I paid $69.99, so $70. I will put links down below so that you all can actually go online and purchase it in case it may not be at one of your local hair stores. And I also have the pricing for this wig on those websites. Yes, so my review of this wig is it's very easy to fit your head with this wig. The cap is perfect, and it does have the secure straps and combs, as it said on the card that my daughter destroyed. And as you can see, it looks really good at the top. The baby hairs, the parts, it just looks nice overall. It looks very high quality for $70. As far as the, you know, kinking up or whatever like that, it doesn't really do it that badly. Just make sure to take good care of it. You know, of course, when you get to the look in the back of your neck, you know, it can get a little, any wig or whatever can get a little tangly back there, you know, because it's a little humid back there. It's touching your neck when it's maybe, you know, getting a little wet from the humidity, you know, just being a little hot. But yeah, basically just the humid environment back there is what does it. But it's not bad. This wig looks really good. I've worn it for a few days, and I'm very impressed with this wig. It still looks brand new even after a few days of wearing it, which I do expect since it's at least $70. I feel that when you start reaching around 50 to 70 and up, you know, that's when you get to the more high quality wigs. So I'm very satisfied with this unit. And like I said, it gives you kind of like the beachy vibes. I really love the way it looks. It's so shiny and silky. Just very exotic looking. And also it's so easy to run my hair through this wig. It doesn't tangle as much. I just do minimum detangling every day, and you know, make sure I handle any frizzy parts Not that there are a lot of frizzy parts, but I just make sure I run my hands through it so it doesn't get frizzy. But it's really easy to manage, and it looks really good, like I said, after a few days of wearing it. So yes, you guys, you have to get this wig. It is amazing. Oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and give you all a close-up. Let's see. Awesome, right? I'm so impressed, you guys. See, y'all gotta get it. Y'all gotta get it. Look, I'm telling you, I feel like I'm the baddest. You know what? When I walk up in a room with this wig on, come on, y'all. Come on. What? All right, so y'all know how I feel. All that personality I just gave y'all, so all that sass. So y'all gotta get it. Y'all gotta get it. Y'all will feel like that too when y'all have it, trust me. But all right, you guys. I think that is all for this video. I'm trying to make sure I did not miss anything. I told y'all how the wig fits, you know, kind of like, oh yeah, the shedding. If I didn't mention the shedding, it's not much shedding at all. Like I said, I've worn it for a few days. Shedding is minimal. It's minimal. So don't have to worry about that for a little bit. As long as you take care of it, don't be laying all on it, not putting it up, putting on your little satin scarf or satin bunny. Don't be getting lazy. Like I said, you still gotta take care of it. So it still needs maintenance, but it's just easier in the first few days, of course. But look, y'all gotta get it. But all right, you guys, comment down below if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them as soon as I can. And if you like to see videos like this, just also let me know about that. Thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe. I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.